Okay. River fishing at Jehlum River. Tarak is playing a fish. Probably. Maybe it's a rana. Unfortunately, it's a rana. Sometime rana comes, but fishing is quite busy today. Abu is sitting on the kharas and he's little bit tired. He's putting bait on hooks. You can see bait installation. One fish plate. These all are kharas. He's going to cast hand line. Here we go. My rods are at the top right hand side and I left my lines there. This is choda. Choda is a thing where we put fish and it stays alive. There are almost, I don't know how many fish on this choda, but one choda had 12 fish. This choda you can see some fish. Abu is washing his hands. This Khan family is fishing. There are loads of hand lines and there are 2 rods. Night time, it was terrible. We had so many bujas over all lines stuck together. We had hard time. But now water is getting better, calm, and fishing is comparatively easier. Tarak is doing something. What are you doing, Tarak? Chals are stopped because of movie. I don't know why. Okay, I stop it and then when there is chal, I will start again.